As a provider, your to-do list can sometimes feel never-ending. From evaluations and IEP meetings, to session events and paperwork, keeping everything in order is a job in and of itself. That's why Kit created the to-do list feature, to help you stay on top of it all with ease. Let's dive into how this game changer will save you time and stress. Ever feel like your brain is overflowing with sticky notes? With Kit, you can keep all your tasks in one place, making it easy to see what needs to be done and set due dates to stay on track. To get started, head to the to-do list page. Then, create your first task by giving it a title, setting a due date, and adding any important details in the notes field. If you want to break it down even further, you can add subtasks with their own due dates to stay extra organized. You can also add any relevant files, so everything you need is all in one place. Your tasks are automatically sorted by due date, so that way you'll always know what's next on the list. If a task is overdue, the date turns red, just as a friendly reminder to tackle it as soon as you can. And let's be honest, there's nothing more satisfying than checking a task off your list. Just check the circle next to a task to mark it as done, and enjoy that little victory. If you want a cleaner view, you can also toggle off Show Completed to hide finished tasks and keep your lists clutter-free. With Kit's to-do list, you'll feel confident, organized, and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. Wish you had a ready-made checklist for IEPs and evaluations? Well, good news, Kit's got you covered. In the templates section of the to-do list, you'll find pre-made checklists designed to help you navigate IEPs and evaluations with ease. These templates ensure you're fully prepared for every meeting. To use a built-in template, simply click Use Template. From there, you can go ahead and customize it to fit your needs by editing subtasks, adding new ones, and setting due dates. If you have recurring tasks unique to your workflow, you can save your own custom templates, so that way you never have to start from scratch. Click Create Task Template to build a new one from the ground up, or for an existing task you already have, click on it and select Save and Create a Template from the drop-down menu. No more reinventing the wheel, just grab a template and go. With Kit's to-do list and templates, staying organized has never been easier. Try Kit today and take control of your task like a pro.